Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi.
Here we have this stunning Audi A3 Sportback in Technik specification with the 30 TFSI 110 PS engine and slick 6-speed manual gearbox, and this A3 comes finished in a solid ibis white paint finish. This approved used Audi is a 72 plate, which has done just over 6,045 miles with just one previous owner, whilst it features MOT and warranty until the 27th of November 2025. Some of the key exterior features of this A3 include the striking LED headlights, the gorgeous honeycomb style radiator grille, as well as the stylish 16-inch 5 double-armed design alloy wheels. As you can see, this A3 boasts a relatively large and spacious boot too, with 380 litres of capacity, plenty of space for day-to-day needs such as weekly shopping, or perhaps even a pram for example. And here we have the rear interior with the rear seats finished in a really smart black index cloth, and these seats are comfortable and supportive and feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points. And here we have the even more impressive front interior with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel finished in black leather, alongside the silk effect paint finish platinum grey inlays, which help to really refine the look of this interior, alongside the front seats finished in the same stylish black index cloth as the rear. One of the key interior features of this A3 is the Audi virtual cockpit display, where you can access useful displays such as the satellite navigation of an onboard computer right ahead of you. Complementing that, we have the 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display, where you can access satellite navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, external media connectivity and telephone connectivity too, whilst there's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect to your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly, and you can also easily adjust the settings of the various driver assists too, and when you put this car into reverse, the rear view camera will pop up on screen. This interior also boasts easy to use air conditioning, and in the centre console there's a couple of USB Type-C ports, the slick 6-speed manual gear shifter, a couple of cup holders, and underneath the central armrest there is plenty of storage as well.
This approved used Audi comes with a minimum 1 year's warranty and minimum 1 year's roadside assistance, and for more information or to book a test drive, please inquire online or call us on 01772 911 340.